Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-350 Lariat in white platinum with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8. It's also a 4x4. It has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It has the Lariat Ultimate package, which includes navigation, and the trailer tow package, which includes an integrated trailer brake controller. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers, and you have power extending as well as folding mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your power tailgate, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body making it easier to get in, and your steering wheel can power tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so the key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. There's a menu that'll appear on the dash and any important messages, and we'll just toggle through there. My view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, and settings. And as you can see, there's sub-menus to each of these. On your automatic select shifter, you also have tow haul, and when you press the end here, you'll see it appear to the left, and then it goes out again. In the center, you have a bin, as well as the B&O audio system badging, as well exhaust brakes, traction control, hazard lights, hill descent. This is a touch screen, as you can see, and right now we're seeing the climate control. So you have dual climate control, as well as a heated steering wheel. You can go back home for different options, as well as audio, and this is your sources. When you go in there, you have the choices of AM, FM, satellite radio, Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and this is where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. And there's your settings. You can slide through for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot and Apple CarPlay preferences. Down below is your media with your volume and tuner, and there's your dual climate control, so you can adjust it on the screen or you can do it here. And then you also have your AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost, and then there's heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. In your little bin in here, you've got a couple of USB. Just press it in the center and it'll close right up for you, and you got that nice wood grain laminate on top. There's a bin and a couple of cup holders, and you also have ambient lighting, so you'll see the light appear in those rings that are down there. And then your armrest opens up, and there's a bin in there. You can take that out. There's a 12 volt down below. Lots of room to put things. Keep them securely out of sight. And then you also have a 12 volt and a 110. 2 glove compartments, the lower one being locking. And then auto dimming, rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There you go. As well, you've got your lighting controls, sunglass holder. These are upfitter switches, so if you wanted to add things like winch or extra lighting or whatever, you can do that. And that's the power button to slide that power back window. And this has a twin panel moonroof, so we just push the button and it'll slide right open. You now have some nice fresh air. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access, keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. Chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just above that handle, and as well you have backup sensors on your bumper. There's a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. Now when you want to release that tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob, and you also have the release inside. You're going to notice in the box you've got tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box length. And there's also those black discs that you're seeing among the red leaves. And what that is the 5th wheel hitch prep package. You also have a tailgate step, making it easier to get in. And on your fob you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. I brought it up. You just pull the tab that you're seeing right on the side here. And down below you have a collapsible lockable bin. And then when you want to bring the seat back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. In the center you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and at the base of the seat you've got your anchors to tether baby seats. On the floor there's all-weather mat that runs from one side to the other, easy cleanup. On the back of the seat, slim pockets for extra storage, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets. As well, you've got the controls for the heated seats back here. There's a grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, that panoramic view from the twin panel moonroof, as well as a power sliding back window. Bumper, mud flaps, dual exhaust, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.